Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2020 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with some nice upgrades installed right here at Prince George Ford, such as a 6-inch BDS Lift Kit. As you can see, adds quite a bit of height, and sitting on some 20-inch MOTO metal rims with 35-inch TOYO all-terrain open country tires on there. You've also got your color-matched pocket-style fender flares and bulletproof Mudflaps on the front and rear tires. So you've got some nice accessories installed there, but let's take a look inside. And first, looking at the back seat, where you have seating for 3 pretty comfortably with a nice full leather interior. Can be flipped up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle, you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders. Then you have 2 more in the middle with a 12-volt, 2 USBs, and a 110-volt power outlet. Do also have heated rear seats so your back passengers can stay comfortable. And this truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, power folding mirrors, and 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. And now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at things such as your trip 1 and 2 information, your fuel economy, fuel history, and compass, as well as your auto start stop status. So when your vehicle is sitting idle, the engine will shut off to cut down on emissions and save you some fuel. You also have things such as tire pressures, digital speedometer, and engine info, your towing status and information, your off-road status, and settings for features around your vehicle, and your screen setup in general. You do also have a favorites view where you can access any of those subcategories for ease of access, or put any of those subcategories there. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth, so you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. Your digital climate controls with dual front climate and a heated steering wheel so you can keep your fingers warm in the colder months. Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors. It will alert you if you're about to hit anything, so hopefully you can avoid that. With dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above your screen you have your hill descent assist, traction control shutoff, hazards, auto start stop shutoff, and your lane departure system. Do also have a premium B&O audio system in this truck that's Bang & Olufsen, so your audio is going to sound pretty good. Moving down from your screen, you have your physical, media, and climate controls here, as well as your with dual front climate again, but also with heated and air-conditioned front seats with 3 levels each, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls with 4 auto and a locking rear differential, pro-trailer backup controller underneath that, and trailer brake controller at the very bottom. And on the right, you have a 12-volt and 110-volt power outlet. Then down here, you have this compartment, which can be opened up to reveal 2 USBs and some space, so you can plug something in a power charge from there. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side and your drive mode selector at the bottom. So you have normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, and sport modes. So you can customize your driving experience a bit there. You have a cubby, 2 cup holders, and your lockable center compartment / armrest here, which does have a removable tray and is otherwise very spacious and includes another 12-volt power outlet right there. And then looking back, you do also have a power sliding rear window. And last but not least, you have a twin panel moonroof, so you can let in the sunshine on a nice sunny day or a breeze while you're out for a cruise, as you can see. But that should cover our look at the interior. So if you're in the market for a new truck and wouldn't mind some upgrades pre-installed, this is certainly an excellent choice. Feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.